Well, we are back with another video on the Foxbody, guys. I just got back from the dentist. It's currently 4:41. They did a couple fillings on top, and your boy's not feeling the best, okay? Mouth still kind of hurts, but I'm going to fight through it because I got to get this car done so I can sell it, okay? Obviously, I shouldn't have fully, sent it the other day, and obviously, 1 engine, 2 engine, we're there now, okay? So, pretty much I told you guys in the last video, I wanted to do a couple things on the old Fox before we sell it, okay? The first thing, obviously, I want to patch up this firewall, okay? It's ugly. Why are you leaking out of nowhere? Just, you're leaking. Quit. I want to also cut out this little damaged area here, and the same thing on that side. Move this oil can over there where it's open. Pretty much get this whole engine bay cleaned up, sanded, and then paint it. Because obviously the red looks really crappy, guys. Am I wrong? Leave it down below. It looks like crap. We're going to be painting these valve covers. I don't know what color yet. I got some red. I think I'm going to try it out. Hopefully I like it a lot, because that's pretty much what those valve covers for the 6.0 are going to be. So I guess first things first, let's start stripping down this whole engine bay area. Oh mama, look how good that looks now. That looks a lot better than what it used to look like. Now I just gotta clean up this side and we'll be pretty much all set. So let's get going. Whoop whoop, look at that, that looks fresh. I got that whole side here sanded down too. Now pretty much what I'm gonna do is tape everything up real fast and I'm gonna get the spray paint out. Yeah, that looks so much better, cleaner. Now I just gotta sand everything down real fast, and then I can tape off, and then I can paint. It's gonna be a long day, okay? It's 7:20 right now, so I just gotta start masking stuff off. I'm gonna hit everything with a Scotch-Brite, and then tape everything off, and pretty much get the spray and everything. It's gonna look a lot better. Here's a final shot of a before shot. Oh yeah, looking fancy. Well, pretty much engine bay is painted. It looks very nice, very nice. I mean, it is what it is, but I'm not trying to win, any prizes here. But it is one color, which is pretty good now, I might actually just paint the whole car while I'm here. I don't know. How far do I take this? When do I stop? Oh, I missed the spot. I'll just cut it off. Nobody will notice. Alright, well now that that's over with, now I can pretty much start putting this engine together. I gotta take this off here, and then I want to say I need to take the BTR springs out, and then obviously the cam, and then I need to come over here and take the valve covers off and get those painted. Maybe just leave the water pump. I mean, it's not hurt anything. And then pull the manifolds, get the exhaust manifold studs welded and pulled out. So that's always going to be fun. It is late. It's 8:20. I'm going inside. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, a couple days later here, she's not looking too bad. I've just been letting the paint kind of cure. I really do like how much more open it is. But, hey, guys, I want to show you what I bought for the new edge. Okay. A little, I want to say it's a 3-inch cowl. Pretty much, I didn't want anything too, too high. So I think this one is going to be perfect. So let's go ahead and take off the old one. That's right here, that old GT one looking. I really need to start working on this. It's just the Foxbody's literally sitting inside waiting for an engine that I need to finish. I'm going to get there. I've just been busy at work, okay? So let's go ahead and get this hood off real fast, and let's see what the new hood is going to look like. I'm super excited. One bolt. And there you guys have it. Doesn't that look so saucy? Look at that. I honestly, that was a good find. Thanks, Bailey. You're the one who found the link. Thanks, Bales. High five. High five, Bales. High five. He's a little salty. But damn, son. Do you see that? Do you see that look? Oh, my Lena, boy. Ooh. Well, back to the old Foxbody televised, I don't know, video? I don't know. Don't know where I'm going with that. But let's get this one swapped with this one. Let's go! Got all the valve springs out. I'm not gonna take these the valve sims out. I'm just gonna leave them. I'll just get new ones. I'd rather just make sure they're good to go. Pretty much I'm draining the oil now. If you guys want to see exactly what it looks like. Oop, make sure it goes in the damn pan. Come on. That doesn't look bad at all. Looks like normal oil. I don't see anything flaky. That's always a good sign. So I honestly don't know what happened. It just kind of lost oil pressure, and that's all she wrote. I need to go get a harmonic balancer puller to pull off this Summit Racing SFI balancer, so I can get the cam out and see if there's any damage to the cam, and pretty much so I can pull that out, swap to the new motor. Because everything else, like you guys saw over here, the springs and retainers and all the push rods are out, so that's always good to know. But I'm going to let this drain, and so I can pretty much make sure I can take this pan, cut these fittings off, because I don't know where I can find those in such short notice. I might as well just keep them and put them on the new oil pan here, and pretty much just call it a day. But everything else is off. I don't need anything but the cam, the harmonic, and those dash 10 fittings. So it's going well. Sorry it's taking so long. Okay, just letting you know. Sorry. So let's just go get that harmonic balance puller. So I pretty much got to pull the cylinder heads because I think one of the actual lifters has fallen, so I can't get the cam out. So let's go ahead and pull the heads off. You're fine. Everything looks good on it. I don't see any blown spot, which is weird. I felt like I had a head gasket problem, but I guess not. Oh my.
Look at the cylinder wall.
Look, here's all the oil from the blow-by, and then bam! Look at that! Look at that! I got a hole! I got a friggin' hole! Oh my Atlanta! There's a hole! That's why! This one let go, it got too hot, Zach. Damn, that's crazy.
No, I think it was because you put the new wastegates on and they had like a tiny bit bigger spring, and it was actually running full boost, and it probably just leaned that cylinder out and
detonation.
Well, probably just melted the piston a little bit and then sent that piece flying.
That's crazy. I gotta keep that. That's cool.
That part's coming out of the motor.
That one's coming out. Alright, let's pull this cam out.
It looks fine.
Well, here's the cam. It doesn't look like it's in bad shape at all. And here's my specs if you guys can see it. BTR, stage 4, truck cam, 223, 230, 553, 553, 1090. Woo, wait. How's it look, Zach?
I think we only pulled out 2 bearings. I can see one.
The cam bearings itself were coming out with it, so it was kind of hard to pull out, and that's why it was struggling. But how's the cam bearings look, Zach? Oh, they look the same as when I threw in the truck Norris cam. Or not a trip
When you
north, but
sanded them down with sandpaper.
I didn't look at them. But yeah, here's my problem right here. That's crazy to think about. Wow, that's
But where
nuts.
did that piece go?
What piece? The bearing?
No, the piece of the piston.
It melts. That's from overheating, I would think. That's the only.
That's from not enough fuel
Yeah, let's go ahead and see what this whole thing's gonna look like.
in the ring. There's like a hole behind the
Yeah,
ring.
there's where blow-by came from.
There
Oh.
it is.
Oh,
Gotta go forward again.
it stopped again. Oh,
I think it's in the windage tray.
oh yeah, it's not that bad. That's not bad. Oh, it's a little bad. I can feel that one. Never mind.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this block just needs cleaned up a little bit.
Grab the dingleberry.
Go back up. Go back up for me. Bullseye. Oh, bearings keep falling down. Don't worry about that. Woo! Well, you see it there. Oh, that one's got some side to side too?
I can tell this one does because I can see the range.
But, hey, this is what happened. Whatever happened on cylinder, what is that, 8? So cylinder 8, back wall, one of the cylinders, I don't know. Cylinder 8 or, it's like 1, 3, 5, 7, I think it's 7. I think it's 7. It didn't matter. But, that's what happened to the LS twin turbo Fox body. So, leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.